All right, everybody, here is your core bites, number 138. So the first one says choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. So we have 180, okay? So if you know your multiplication facts, you know that 15 times 12 gives you 180. So you could put 12 times 15, or you could flip the numbers and do 15 times 12. Either way, that would be your best answer, okay? For the second one, complete the chart. Once again, you've got to know your multiplication tables. So 4 times 8 gives you 32. What times 7 gives you 56? That would be 8 times 7. And then for 63, 7 times 9. Okay, so that's how you would figure those out. For the next one, we're working with fractions. So if you remember our trick from the other day, if you want both of the denominators to have 0, 2 zeros, so they both have 100 as your denominator. Just add a 0 here, add a 0 here. Whatever you do to one, you have to do to the other. So your denominator is going to be 0, and then you just say 33 plus 30 would give you 63. So your answer is 63 over 100. Okay? For number 4, what is the value of x? So basically, x is the whole thing, and you already know these two angles are 20 degrees and 30 degrees, so 20 plus 30 gives you a total of 50 degrees. And then for your last one, they want you to try to sketch a line of symmetry. So if you have some kind of ruler or something that can actually help you do this, you can either go vertically, horizontally, diagonally, whichever way you want to go. I'm going to try to go diagonally. And so yours is going to be similar. So basically, just pretend that that's in the middle. Pretend it's in the middle, but it is symmetrical if it is exactly in the middle, whichever way you do that, and it would be perfect, okay? All right, guys, check yours.